welcome back. Welcome back. On my way from Odessa to Kiev, and took off. What was the time? 8:30. It's now 9. And so I'm just approaching Kiev now. Got the wind at 0305 1009. So we've got a bit of a crosswind, not much one though, shouldn't represent a problem, and we'll be there in 2 minutes 30 seconds according to the heads up display. It's quite a grotty morning and it's quite a flat, boring flight from Odessa up to Kiev. So let's do it, let's go on land. Next stop, Moscow. And I'm just checking down here to make sure everything's, the wings are all the way out to 25 degrees, 23 degrees. Yes, if I was in the RAF, I'd know precisely what it was. Okay, we should have the field coming up into sight very soon. 16 miles to run, speed still decaying. Set the throttle to a quarter. I can stroke my cat and fly a tornado at the same time. Might get a Russian plane next, because Russian planes tend to be more robust than American and European ones. I mean, if your wheels don't come down, you can just belly it on, can't you? And they just jack it up and pull the wheels down to fix it. Yes, comrade, this is true. Make a cup of tea while the servants are refilling the plate. They better be dressed properly or I'm going to put them on a charge. What a charge all you baskets for looking scruffy, what? The British would wear a tie and everything when we're flying airplanes. What? So you know who's in charge.